Hello. So we have got like 20 minutes to solve this today's daily lead code question. Um, let's see how it goes. I don't know. Give me 1 second. Yeah, this should be fine. So let me quickly read through the question. So we are given two arrays, queries and dictionaries. All words in each array are lowercase letters. Excuse me. Sorry. In one edit, you can take a word from queries and change any letter in it to any other letter. Find all the words from queries that, after a maximum of two edits, equal to some word from dictionary. Interesting. Return list of all words from the queries that match the same word from dictionary after a maximum of two edits. Maximum. So we can have 0, 1 or 2 edits. Return the words in same order as they appear in queries. Okay, so there are a few things that I need to note here, um, which is return in same order. Fine. And then convert and match. That's fine. Lowercase letters. So that's all good. I don't have any clarifying questions as of now. Um, this should work fine. So let's try to run through an example and understand the question properly. So queries. So we have word, note, ants, wood, and there is a dictionary wood, choke, moat. Uh, so output is word, note, and wood. So changing the R in word to O allows it to equal the dictionary word wood. Changing the N to J and T to K in the note changes it to choke. So something that is coming to my mind is, first let's create a, so for the dictionary let's create something like this, a map of size to, what's it called, map of size to list, map of size to list, and this list is of another map, so list of frequency map. So for example, for word or from the dictionary wood, this would become size of 4 to a list of something like this, W is equal to 1, O is equal to 2, yeah, And once this is pre-built from for our dictionary, we go through each word in query. We get the words frequency map. uh, so in this case, W1 O1 and then R1 D1. Now this should match with any of the existing, any of the words. Okay, so first it should match the size. We get the list, and for the list we check. um, Now we don't need exact match, but we need to have a difference of maximum of 2. So let's say how we can do that. So W minus W is 0, O minus O is 1, R minus not R is 1, and D minus D is 0. So in this case, if we take absolute difference, uh, the value is 2, so it's maximum of 2, so this is possible. So we just need to add it to the results array. Hmm. Uh, yeah, I think this makes sense. Um, yeah, time complexity wise, it should not be more than um, n into m, where n is number of queries and n is the length of m is the length of max word. So something like that. Yeah. So let me just jot down like exactly what I meant here. Uh, so yeah. So first is convert the dictionary into map size to list map of frequency. Um, iterate through the queries and find the absolute difference. If absolute difference is less than or equal to 2, add to result, else don't, and then return. I hope this is the answer. If it is not, then it's gonna be a problem. um, yeah, let's see. Da, da, da. So how we can do this in Kotlin? Mm, mm. So let's get dig map is equal to new table map of um, int comma list. So this will be mutable list of map of um, char to int. Yeah, that should be it. for word in dictionary. Yeah, first thing is we need to add this to map. So map dot get or put word dot size. If it is string, then it won't be size, it will be length. Um, okay, the mic I forgot. It should be length, and so if I get this, I should have a mutable list. Uh, of map dot add word dot grouping by it dot each count dot to map. So that should be it. Let me just return and see if it works. Yeah, let's see. Something is wrong. Get or put this syntax. Okay, so at least we have this thing ready. This is good. Now we just need to iterate again. So for each query in queries, right? Uh, so val temp list is equal to so map dot get get or else or what? Yeah, so get or default q dot length or empty. So we get temp list, and this is this list, right? So we need to iterate over each of this map, and we need to do something. So we can get the frequency map of query. So val frequency of query is equal to, this is the same thing. So q dot so now we got the frequency, and let's do, so if so temp list dot any uh, e- EQU equals to edits IT comma frequency. So this is possible. If possible, then add it to the result. So let's create a result array. So val result is equal to mutable list of string. Oh my god, I just have 5 minutes left. This is fine. So if possible, I need to add result dot add query and return result. So this is fine, and I need to create this function. So let's do function which takes map, right? So let's say map 1 map 2 and returns boolean. So what we have to do is so we need to convert the query. So where we are passing query is second one. So let's call it this query. Let's call it q map actually, or map q. So we need to, what I did here is so for key comma value in map q, let's do it where diff is equal to 0. So diff plus equal to so value minus map 1 map 1 of get or default key or 0. So whatever it is, and we need absolute of this. So we have this, and return diff is less than equal to 2. So if it is less than or equal to 2, then it is true. So it is true, then we possible is equal to 2. Any will break quickly, so we can add it and then go for the next query and do the same thing. So let's see, we have not possible today, I guess. So I have put ants. And why is that? Okay, so maybe uh, it should be um, temp list is not empty and so okay. I'm not gonna put much time here. I will look into the solution. Let's see. Try brute force each word queries. Try comparing each word's dictionary. That's fine. Is there a maximum of two-digit difference? The word should be present in the answer. This should be fine. Maybe I overcomplicated it. Let me quickly check with uh, Claude. Find bug in this code. Ta-ra-ta-ra, 22 minutes. Come on. Come on. The bug is fundamental. You are comparing character become problem is about potential idiots. Same index, different characters. And idiot means at the same position. Frequency map throws away positions. If so, anagrams look identical to your check. Ah, okay. So this is the problem. Mm-hmm. Makes sense. Okay. Just compare positionally, no need for frequency maps. Group dictionary words by length and scan character by character with an early exit. Okay, so I overcomplicated this. Yeah, so group by just length, and then this is the result. So for query, we get this candidates array. Otherwise, we continue. If any of them within 2 edits, we add. Otherwise, return. And for that, we get string AB difference. And if it is not, okay, fine. I'm gonna copy this, paste it here. Sorry for the today's failure again, but this was interesting. I lost track on the question itself. So yeah, cool. See you in the next one. Thank you so